Hello, in this video we will see how to receive updates automatically whenever a new customer or transaction is created or a custom field for a customer is updated. So in the automation builder, click on create workflow, add on the plus icon. Here select the trigger as webhook, custom webhook, enter title and then click on generate hook. Copy the webhook URL. Now go to rewards. Click on new store. Here enter title and then paste the webhook URL. Click on create. Now again go to automation builder. Click on capture incoming webhook. Go to the store list. Click on the particular store. Now let's create a new customer first. So click on new customer. Enter name. Enter WhatsApp number. Fill all the details here and then click on create. Now as we can see, data is received here. Here my text is customer created. So let's save this. Now add a basic router first. Here my first filter will be new customer. Add first condition, text is customer created. Save this filter. Now click on CRM. Select send template message. Select channel. Here I have already created a template. So name, number and email, these are the variables that I'm using. Again go to automation builder. Select channel. Select template. Enter the WhatsApp number where you want the updates to be sent. Fill the body variables according to the template. So here I will simply map them. So name, WA number and third field will be identifier. Click on save. Now again go to custom webhook. Click on capture incoming webhook. Now let's go to the store. And let's create a transaction now. So click on create transaction. Select customer from the drop down. Select transaction, operation. Enter transaction value. So for example 1500 and enter note. Click on create. Now here we can see again that data is received. This time the text is transaction updated. Click on save. Add another string to basic router. Set up filter. Transaction. Add condition as text is transaction updated. And then click on save filter. Again add CRM block. Select template message. Here I have created another template. So my variables here are name, number, transaction node, previous balance, change and the new balance. So in automation builder, I will select channel, select template enter WhatsApp number where I want to send updates, and then map all the body variables. So name, number, transaction note I can find under last logs as comment. Again, the previous value can be found under last log as start, then change, and final value is end. And then click on save. Now let's go to custom webhook again. Click on capture incoming webhook. Go to rewards. Now let's update custom field of a particular customer. So click on the edit icon. Here I am adding an email in the identifier field, and then click on update. As we can see, data is received. Here the text is customer updated. So let's save this. Add another string to the basic router. Again, set up filter. Label will be update. Add condition as text is customer updated. And then click on save filter. Again, add CRM block. Select template message. This is the template that is already created. So here I am only sending name and number of the customer whose fields are updated, but you can send more variables if you want. Select channel in the automation builder. Select template. Enter WhatsApp number. Map all the variables. And then click on save. Thank you.